If you're looking for a smart projector that offers endless streaming, automatic setup, and impressive image quality, the Lisowod L03 Pro might be exactly what you need. But is it worth buying? In this complete review, we'll take a closer look at whether the Lisowod L03 Pro is good, if it's worth it, and whether it's worth purchasing now. The Lisowod L03 Pro is a smart mini projector with full HD 1080p resolution and support for 4K, perfect for home cinema, gaming, streaming, and even outdoor use. It comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, AI auto setup, and a wide range of built-in apps, including Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, Disney+, and more. With its compact and lightweight design, it's also great for travel and camping. Many people struggle with setting up traditional projectors. Manual focus, keystone correction, screen alignment, this can be time-consuming and frustrating. And when you want to stream content, you often need additional devices like a Roku or Fire Stick. Plus, most projectors don't offer a smooth streaming experience without ads or subscriptions. Imagine a projector that solves all these problems automatically. One that connects directly to Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney+, and even live TV channels without any extra apps. That's exactly what the Lisowod L03 Pro offers. It's a complete solution for anyone who wants hassle-free entertainment. Let's talk about the key features of this projector. First, the AI Auto Setup System. Just turn it on, and it automatically adjusts focus, screen alignment, keystone correction, and even avoids obstacles in the projection area. No more spending minutes adjusting the device. Next, the streaming system. The L03 Pro supports over 800 real apps, including major streaming services, and also brings 1,000+ live TV channels without subscription or ads. You can watch movies, series, sports, and news with just one click. It also has built-in 30-watt hi-fi speakers with Dolby audio support, so you don't need an external sound system. And the brightness of 1,000 ANSI lumens ensures clear images even in moderately lit environments. The projector is also portable and durable, with a lamp life of over 100,000 hours, meaning it will work for decades with daily use. So, is the Lisowod L03 Pro good? The answer is yes. It's one of the best smart projectors on the market. With its advanced technology, easy setup, and comprehensive streaming features, it's ideal for both beginners and home cinema enthusiasts. But is it worth it? If you're looking for a projector that combines power, versatility, and convenience, the answer is definitely yes. And with the current promotional price, which is almost 60% off, it's a great time to buy. If you enjoyed this review and want to learn more about the Lisowod L03 Pro, click the link in the description. There, you'll find the product, prices, and current deals. And if you want more reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your subscription helps me keep creating useful and informative content. See you in the next video.